So we're here on the west end looking at English Bay, and we are on the 12th floor. There's a building going on right beside it. We're on the 12th floor. We're doing a kitchen demolition, and we are parked right down there. There's my truck. My trailer's around here. It's covered by that tree. There is the Canby Bridge right there. And there's Kitsilano. So we're gonna be, you okay? I got it. So we're gonna be doing this kitchen demo. All's coming out, the hood, all the appliances. It's a small kitchen, but we'll get to it. So this is CASTRO'S General Contracting, CGC. All these are coming with me too. All this furniture is coming with me. All this garbage. So we'll be here a little while. This is the back of the building. Beautiful day outside. There's a hotel. And there is West Vancouver on the other side of the water there. Okay, so for all your general contracting needs, give us a call, 778-891-4017. This is CASTRO'S General Contracting, CGC. Thank you. I'll do another one when it's finished. Bye.